MCQ 107, log 10 1 degree plus log 10 2 degree plus dash log 10 89 degree is equal to, right? Now you know that log A plus log B is log AB. You learn this formula, right, in previous classes. So applying this formula, what we get, log 10 1 degree, that is this is A, 10 2 degree is B, and this is 10 89 degree is your last term, right? So applying this, log 10 1 degree plus log 10 2 degree plus dash plus log 10 89 degree. So applying this formula to this, what we get, log, this is log A plus log B plus dash up to log n. So if it is given log A plus log B, then answer is log AB. So we have to multiply this A into B. So that is multiplied by 10 1, 10 2 and 10 89. So what we get here, 10 1 degree into 10 2 degree into dash into 10 89 degree. Now you know one thing, that tan theta into cot theta is 1. This you know very well. Tan theta into cot theta is 1. And you also know that tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. You learn this in 10th standard also and in this class also, right? So this is another formula that you know. So tan 89 is cot 1, that you know. Tan 89 is cot 90 minus 1, that is cot 1, right? So I am writing this is log, right? This is tan 1 degree, this is tan 2 degree, dash, right? This is into, and this is for dash. In between, middle, there is tan 45 degree, right? Then dash, this is into, dash, this is into, and this is cot 1 degree. So this tan cot 1 and this tan 1 is 1, tan theta into cot theta. So this tan 1, this cot 1 is 1. Tan 2, here is cot 2. Here cot 44, here tan 44. In between this term, here there is a term, hidden term is tan 44. So here you will get cot 44 also, then tan 45. So here hidden term is this, right? So what we get here, log tan 1 degree into cot 1 degree, 2 into cot 2, hidden term, then cot 3 from here, tan 3 from here. So up to tan 44, cot 44, and then last term is tan 45, because there is a no pair for tan 45, right? So into dash, we will be get last term tan 44 into cot 44, and then tan 45 remaining as it is. Got it? We get 44 pair of tan 1 cot 1, then tan 45 as it is. Now tan 45 is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So we get log 1 into 1 into 1 into dash into 1, right? So this is 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 always, that is log 1, and you know that value of log 1 is always 0, right? You have to remember this thing, log 1 is 0, right? Because you have to write down here, log 1 is always 0, right? So your answer will be option A. So option A is your correct answer. Now, second important questions, right, is 108. वैसे भी 108 एम्बुलेंस है, वो इम्पोर्टेंट इमरजेंसी में काम आता है. वैसे ये एग्जाम्पल भी आया, देखो कि कितना बढ़िया नंबर आया, राइट? एप्रोप्रिएट नंबर है इसका. सो इट इज गिवन √3 cosec 20 degree minus sec 20 degree is given. Now there is no formula for cosec and sec, any standard formula. So we have to convert this into sin cos. Cosec means 1 upon sin, reciprocal of sin, and sec is reciprocal of cos. So what we get here, this is √3 into 1 upon sin 20 degree minus 1 upon cos 20 degree. So taking LCM, this will be multiplied here and this here. So what we get, if we take LCM, this is √3 cos 20 degree minus sin 20 degree whole upon sin 20 degree into cos 20 degree. Now again problem, there is no formula, right? But we learn for a range of A cos theta plus B sin theta. We learn this formula. Range of this function, suppose this is f theta, right? This is f theta. Then range of this function is closed interval minus r to r, where r is equal to square root of a square plus b square. We learn this question, right? You know this formula. So r is root a square plus b square. So what is here? A √3, b is 1. So here r is 3 plus 1, that is √4, that is 2. So dividing and multiply by 2 here. Otherwise, if you don't want to use this concept, then √3. You have to take a known value for angle, that you have only √3 by 2 is known value. √3 by 2 is for sine and cos both, right? Sine 60 is √3 by 2 and cos 30 is √3 by 2. So you can take anything, cos either sine. So therefore dividing and multiply by 2, either you use this concept, right? So I am dividing and multiply by 2 here. So multiply is here and dividing is √3 by 2 cos 20 minus, we have to divide this also. So 1 upon 2 sin 20. Got it? This is the formula. Now whole upon मिडिल में ही होना चाहिए, right? Sin 20 cos 20, sin theta cos theta. In multiplication we need always 2, right? So you have a formula, sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. This is the standard formula. So therefore we need also 2, and also if second concept, in multiplication we need always 2. So again divide by and multiply by 2, and this is sin 20 into cos 20. This is your formula. That is sin 2 theta. That is sin 2 into 20. Now what about this? This is the formula for sine. So we have to adjust this formula of sine. So √3 by 2 is sine 60. So I am writing sine 60. So sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So this must be a value of cos 60 also. That is half, that you know, right? So and these two comes to numerator. So becomes 4 and I am writing this for sine 60 into cos 20 minus cos 60 into sine 20 whole upon sine 2 times 20 degree. Applying this formula, right? Now sine A cos B minus cos A sine B is sine A minus B. So what we get? 4 times sine A is 60 minus 20. So sine 60 minus 20 whole upon, this is sine 40. So this is sine 40. This is sine 40. This is sine 40. 60 minus 20 is 40. So sine 40 will be cut. So your final answer will be 4. And 4, that is option number D, is your correct answer. So option number D is your correct answer. Right? Got it? So this is very important questions. Sometimes they are interchanging this degree. Right? So you have to apply this formula and you have to solve in this way. Right? Question number 109 is root 3 sine 75 minus cos 75. You have to solve it as we did earlier question, that is divide and multiply by 2 also. Either you can substitute the value of sine 75, that is cos 15, and cos 75, that is sine 15. Value of sine 15, cos 15 you have to substitute here, you will get your answer easily. Either divide and multiply by 2. Now cos 480 sine 150 plus sine 60 cos 390. That means you have to change these angles in known angles, right? Then cos square pi by 12, cos square 3 pi by 12, cos square 5 pi by 12. So change this into 1 minus sine square. So you will get cos square a minus sine square b, that is cos a plus b, cos a minus b formula. And then substitute the value of this, you will get your answer, right? Now cosec 18 minus sec 36. You have to do this as we did question number 108. Similarly, this and this question are as same as question number 108. We solved earlier before this, right? Now 103. If sin x plus sin y is equal to a and cos x plus cos y, cos x plus cos y is equal to b, then we have to find out the value of cos x minus y. No idea. You don't know what to do. So at that time, you have this sin x, you have cos x. Sin x, cos y. Right? Sin y, cos y. Means you have identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. How you get this sin square cos square here? If you square. So squaring this and this both, and then if we add, then we get sin square here, we get cos square here. So these are the hints. आपको कैसे सॉल्व करना है वो बता रहा हूं मैं. These are the hints, right? क्या कि मेरे पास ये sin x plus sin y is equal to a and given that cos x plus cos y is equal to b. No idea, but you have one formula, that is identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. If you have sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, then how you get this? Squaring this, you will get sin square. But you need cos square, so you have to get square this also. So this is sin square, this is cos square. So how you get plus? Means you have to add these two equations after squaring and then simplify. You will be get your answer definitely, right? तो क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, हमें पता ही नहीं चलता. We don't know how to solve, right? If you give me hint, I will solve. Okay? So I am giving you hint. Now it's your duty to solve this. ओके सो बाद में ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि सर ये तो हमें पता ही नहीं चलता है क्या करना है, क्या कैसे cos x minus y आएगा. तो मैंने आपको बताया कि यहाँ पे sin x है, यहाँ पे cos x है, तो दोनों का स्क्वायर करके ऐड करेंगे तो ही होगा, राइट? सो स्क्वायरिंग दिस एंड स्क्वायरिंग दिस एंड देन एडिंग व्हाट वी गेट. सो दिस इज गिवन sin x प्लस sin y is equal to a. So squaring this, that is a plus b whole square. So squaring this, what we get? Sin square x plus middle term is 2 sin x sin y and plus last term is sin square y. So this is sin square y is equal to a square. I am not writing here squaring, right? You know. Now again squaring this. So this is cos x plus cos y is equal to b. So squaring this, what we get? Cos square x plus 2 cos x cos y plus cos square y is equal to b square. Now see, if we square this, we get a square plus b square. So in all options there is a square plus b square. This is also a hint. How you get a square plus b square? You will spare this then, otherwise you don't get a square plus b square. So this is also option. Answer is also a hint, right? So take a hint from this. How you get a square plus b square? Without squaring, you never get a square plus b square, and then add. So that's why we are squaring and adding. So if we add these two, so add, right? We get sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1. I am not writing sin square plus cos square, you know now. Sin square plus cos square, right? Plus, if we add this, then 2 sin x sin y plus 2 cos x cos y, that is 2 is common. So 2 is common, then what we get? Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. And then adding this, sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is sin square y plus cos square y, is again 1. So this is 1 and this is a square plus b square. Right? Got it? Now what is this? This is the formula for cos x minus y. So this is cos x minus y, and you need cos x minus y. You will get your answer now. Subject, make a subject to this. You will get answer. So this is 1 plus 1, that is 2. So therefore 2 plus 2 times, this is cos x minus y, 2 times cos x minus y, right, is equal to a square plus b square. So if we take 2 to left hand side, this become minus. So 2 times cos x minus y is equal to a square plus b square minus 2, and taking 2 to opposite side goes to denominator. So answer will be cos x minus y is equal to a square plus b square minus 2 upon 2. That is a square plus b square minus 2 upon 2. This is only one answer. So option B is your correct answer. So option B is your correct answer. Now, if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, instead of this, in triangle ABC, there is also question. In triangle ABC, sec A into cos B minus cos sin B sin C is equal to 10. Or for triangle ABC, that is also question. Instead of this, a plus b plus c is equal to pi. So now this is, what is here? A cos B cos C minus sin B sin C. Compare with this formula. Cos x cos y. If plus then minus, then this is cos B cos C minus sin B sin C. That is cos B plus C formula. So here it is given sec A into cos B cos C minus sin B sin C. So this is sec A, right? Now cos B plus C formula. So this is cos B plus C. Now it is also given a plus B plus C is equal to pi. So using this identity, a plus b plus c is equal to pi. So b plus c is pi minus a. So b plus c is pi minus a. So substituting pi minus a, what we get? Sec a into cos pi minus a. As I told you, this cos pi minus theta sin pi minus theta are useful formula, right? And repeating, that is more than 5,000 times. So again pi minus theta second quadrant, in second quadrant cos is negative. So answer of this is sec a into minus cos a, because this is pi minus theta, full angle minus theta never change x, right? Pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 change, yes, right? So this is sec a cos sec a, sec A cos A are reciprocal of each other. So what we get here? We get minus sec A into cos A, that is minus 1. So your answer will be option B. So option B is your correct answer. Got it?